Today I have a couple of items from the company called OBSBOT that I am going to be reviewing right now. The first one is the new OBSBOT camera Tiny 3. Now there's two versions of the Tiny 3. There is the Tiny 3 normal, and then the Tiny 3 light version, but this one is the Tiny 3, the regular one, as you can see here in the name. I also have the OBSBOT Tiny SE. So this one is the smaller brother of all the OBSBOT Tiny cameras. This one, I purchased it because I wanted to see what the lower tier camera could do. So yeah, we're gonna unbox these two, see what comes in the box, and in another video I will demonstrate what I can do. Now I do plan on using these in my streaming services. Probably more than likely will try them out first to see if they work with the ATEM Mini that I have. I know that these also have they have a adapter, which I also purchased, is the OBSBOT UVC to HDMI adapter. So as you can see here, now I'm going to be taking this one, connecting it to the ATEM Mini, and see exactly what type of don't look at that, what type of video I get compared to the other PVC cameras that I have. So, but not just that, I also have the remote, and I will be testing it out with I already took it out of the package, but it's the Cable Matters 15 or 16 feet, as you can see right there. So 16 feet USB-C to USB-C. So I really like this brand, Cable Matters. They really have when it comes to their cables, the quality, just the overall, it's really good. But the testing part will be in another video. So let's put some of this stuff to the side and start with the unboxing. So we'll start with the Tiny 3, and I did already open the package, so I am a little bit excited again to be opening it. I just wanted to make sure that everything was there when I purchased it, make sure it worked. So, but let's do the unboxing. I did recently purchase this one, so this one is a sealed box. But let's start with the Tiny 3 and see what it comes with. Obviously, in the back of the box, it shows the case, adjustable mount, USB-C cable, user manual, and USB-C to USB-A adapter. I'm not sure if there's too much brightness on my light here, but let's go ahead and open this one up. So here's where it comes sealed, and right away we see instructions how to download the app for Windows. And this booklet, we get the instructions. Unfortunately, no stickers, but we do get the user manual, which is in Chinese, Mandarin, No Spanish, or maybe, and the warranty. So that's what comes in this little box here. Let's put this back. Now I am going to rush a little bit because we do have a couple more items, not just this one to unbox. So, and look at that. Look at the type of quality that OBSBOT, this company, offers. And for the price, it's I would say a top-notch brand. So let's open it. So what you get here is, look at that. So this would be the bracket that helps you mount it either on a laptop or your monitor screen. And this, very interesting, this part kind of folds up in case the bezel of your monitor is a bit small. Then you can adjust this to your liking. Now this is not magnetic, but what is magnetic is the base of the PTC OBSBOT Tiny camera. Now look at that. That is a small camera. Now it does come protected with a screen here, and the microphone on the back, that I believe it has multiple listening access, which will go more into when we do the actual testing of this USB-C PTC like camera. So alright, let's put this to the side. And you also get USB-C to USB-C cable right there. So neat little, oh, and the adapter. So interesting little package. I really like the packaging on this. Very simple. If you want to do a podcast streaming on the go, very little secure package. So that's the OBSBOT Tiny 3. Let's put this to the side. Let me put this here. Oh, I forgot the instructions. Okay, so now to unbox the Tiny SE. Open that up. And let's see what's in the box. So it's kind of similar to the experience of unboxing the Tiny 3. You got your warranty, your instructions, your user manual. We know that that's not in Spanish, so don't even bother looking for the Spanish manual. And this is, wow, the OBSBOT SE. And if as you can see, this one doesn't really come with a soft hard case, but if we compare these two, there is a significant size difference. And you would think that maybe this one would be the more quality, more professional, but it's actually this is smaller one, the Tiny 3. So it's packing more ability, higher definition, quality when it comes to how it looks. But I got to say, this is a very interesting package. We'll put these two side to side. And this one comes, I believe they both come with a 1/4 inch screw. This one is different. Now, like I said, it doesn't come with the hard case, which I'm guessing. I'm trying to take this box out. I'm guessing the SE is more for having it on your screen, not really moving it around. Now the packaging for this, here you go, comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable with the adapter to USB-A. So pretty much comes with the same items except the hard case. Okay. So let's put this back. We can throw this away. Alright, let's go to the next item. This is the OBSBOT remote. Now let's open it up. I did also open this one up. So just to review it, it does come with the user manual, and in this protective sleeve comes the remote that you won't be using. Very small. It does come with a laser pointer when you press this button. And it's not USB chargeable, as you can see, but it does require AAA batteries. Now the interesting, and the USB is what connects to the remote, and unfortunately it doesn't connect straight to the OBSBOT mini cameras. The software that you are able to download and install on your computer is what communicates from the remote to the computer, and the computer to the OBSBOT Tiny cameras. But there you go. Very simple. Doesn't come with a lot of instructions. Very simple. So let's put this here. And lastly, this is the UVC to HDMI adapter, and the reason I wanted to use this again, or the reason I purchased this, is because I wanted a way to test it out to see if I could use the OBSBOT Tiny 3 for my streaming services. I do have a larger PTC camera that is actually HDMI SDI capable, but this here should in a sense, let me connect a USB camera, and I believe this is power. No, sorry. So this is where the remote USB goes. So this is only for the remote. This is where the camera connection goes, and this is the power right there. And HDMI connection comes out. So HDMI out. So I'm very excited to try these out. And in a later video, I'll be showing you how exactly, step by step, how to use this in the real world. One more thing that it comes with is the USB-C to USB-C cable. So they're right there. And that is pretty much everything. If you like me reviewing or unboxing more of these videos, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos regarding cameras, tech, accessories, and so forth. Oh, and one more thing. This is the cable that I will be showing or testing out, the 16-foot cable with the OBSBOT SE and the OBSBOT Mini. So again, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.